Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. African herbs have grown our hair long, strong and healthy for years. However, it doesn't get the recognition it deserves. From the braided messages of our ancestors to the rituals of herbal care passed down through generations, all which led to stories told through our hair. Today, we'll be showing you guys a powerful African hair growth tea. This hair tea will feed your follicles with pure, powerful herbs that have been sourced and trusted from across the continent. Our grandmothers didn't just rely on oils and butters. Many used herbal infusions that supported healthy hair from the inside. Today, we're bringing back that African hair growth tea tradition. The herbs we'll be using in this video aren't just ingredients. They are ancestral medicine gifted by the soil of Africa, and each one carries a legacy. The first herb we'll be using today is moringa, also known as the tree of life. Used by ancient Egyptians and across West Africa, moringa is more than a superfood. It is rich in zinc and iron, and moringa is known to awaken dormant hair follicles, reminding your hair of its strength. The next herb is cloves. Cloves is also known as the spice of strength. Cloves used to be traded in ancient East Africa ports like Zanzibar. Cloves were currency and medicine. They are known to stimulate blood flow to the scalp, thicken your hair strands, and bring warmth to the roots. The next ingredient is thyme. Thyme is also known as the scalp cleanser. It's popular across North Africa and the Mediterranean. Thyme was traditionally used not just as a spice, but as a healing herb. Women brewed thyme into teas, rinses, and infusions to strengthen the hair, to soothe the scalp, and maintain cleanliness. The next herb is neem. Neem is popularly found across the Sahel and Nigeria, where it is referred to as dongoyaro. Neem leaves are the antidote to scalp ailments. This bitter healing herb soothes irritation, it combats dandruff, and creates a clean foundation for hair to flourish. Now the last herb we'll be using is hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are popular across North and West Africa. Hibiscus tea and oil have long symbolized beauty. In Nigeria, it's called zobo. This deep red flower is rich in amino acids and vitamin C. It revives your dull hair, it promotes thickness, and the hibiscus flowers could be used whole or grinded. Now, time for double boiling. Firstly, place a pot of boiling water on the stove, then gently place each of the herbs one by one into boiling water. Once all your herbs are in, it's time to mix it all in and allow this to boil for 15 minutes. African hair is known to be very thick and voluminous for a reason. This is due to the consumption of these African herbs orally or topically on the hair. The potency of this hair tea helps heal thinning hairlines, bald patches, alopecia, weak or brittle hair, any form of hair loss or hair fall, and slow hair growth. After 15 minutes, switch off the stove and allow your hair tea to cool down. Time for draining. Once cooled down, transfer the mixture into a teapot or a glass jar to steep for a further 5 to 8 hours for more potency. After a couple of hours, transfer your hair tea into a spray bottle for use. Now, if you've hit this level of the video and you are still watching, you are a real one. This hair tea is special because it has quite a number of powerful African ingredients. It's literally a beauty ritual gifted to us by our African roots. How to use it. This hair tea should be applied on all of your hair from the scalp to the body of your hair. It can be applied in sections, massaged in, and it doesn't need to be washed out. Also, this hair tea can be applied as a rinse on your wash day, right before you shampoo your hair. Now for storage. Your hair tea should be stored in the fridge and used within 7 to 10 days. It can last longer if it's frozen and stored in the freezer. Now, if you believe your hair deserves more than chemicals, if you believe in the healing and tradition of natural African herbs or Ayurveda, then this is for you. Kindly subscribe and share this video with someone and let them know about these African herbs that could save their hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share with us what you think of this African recipe and if you intend to try it. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!